Hey designers! Today we'll be discussing how to create a new design file. Let's jump into the video. Click Create New Design File in the home page or press Ctrl+N key. A new design file has been created. This file is created as a draft, which means this is our personal file. Now I'm renaming it to Basics. Thus, Figma is a cloud-based app. Our file will be automatically saved in Figma Cloud after every action we perform. For this, we need a stable internet connection. We can save our file locally too by doing this action. Now we will jump into the toolbar section. The Move tool is used to move the selected object around the canvas, and the Scale tool is used to scale it up. The next important tool set is the frame. It is used to create a layout. Figma offers different frame sizes here. See, a lot of preloaded layouts are available in this section. Now I'm choosing Android Large for this project. You can see that a frame layer has been created in the left panel. We can rename this frame by double-clicking on the frame's title. In the right-hand side panel, you can see the frame's property. We can change the layout size on any time. I'm again changing it back to Android Large. Position of the object can be adjusted by modifying the X and Y axis. We can manually change the width and height of the frame by changing W and H value, or by dragging with mouse. We can rotate the frame by entering the angle here or directly rotate with the mouse. This is the corner radius of the object. I have selected this frame and changed the corner radius to 16 pixels. See, all the four corners of this frame are rounded to 16 pixels. For your understanding, I'm adding color to this frame. We can also use independent corner radius by clicking this icon. See the result. By clicking these icons, we can change the orientation of the frame. This is the Layer Blending tool, which offers various blending options. These tools are used to add the color and stroke of the object or frames. See, I'm changing the color and inserting stroke in this frame. Figma offers various preloaded effects such as drop shadow, inner shadow, layer blur, and background blur. For example, I'm just adding a drop shadow here. When we complete our design, we can export the frames to various formats such as PNG, JPG, SVG, and PDF. Okay, till now we have seen all the features for Frame tool. Now we get into Shapes tools. These are the preloaded shapes offered by Figma. Rectangle can be inserted by clicking the Rectangle tool. Now we can insert a text by using the Text tool or by pressing the key T. Text properties are available here. We can do various text formattings by selecting the text layer. Here we can create new pages inside our design file and name it as per our convenience. Today we explored the basic tools section and did some basic operations on the Figma design file. In our upcoming videos we will discuss auto layout, layout grids, components, prototypes, and more magical features. Share this video to your designer friend. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more relevant contents.